So you've wondered how a fridge light turns off when it's closed, because you see it's on right now. But when I close it, close it very slowly, you'll see that the light turns off. And now the secret is actually this right here. You see, if I push on it, it turns off. Boop, 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 boop. That's what turns the light off. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. And this is actually what pushes on it, so that it closes it. Yeah. A little something that I forgot to add is this might not be the case for all fridges. Some might have like a sensor. My one just, yeah. It has the switch. Yeah, switch. But you could check for yourself, I guess. Yeah.